Good morning, teachers and judges. My name is Dhruv from Standard 80. My project for the exhibition is Volcano Eruption. Today I am going to show you a working model of a volcano eruption. This way the volcano erupts. How does a volcano erupt? The molten rock stored in the magma chamber rises through the crater pipe pocket. As it travels up the main vent, gases expand and water becomes steam, creating pressure. When the pressure can be no longer be continued, the volcano eruption through the crater out with gas, which includes water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, and hydrogen sulfide. Satellites are used to observe active volcano by obtaining radar imagery. The radar data can be used by scientists to study the ground movement, which may indicate seismic activity before eruption by scientists. This way the volcano erupts. When the volcano erupts, they throw up hot dangerous gases, ash, lava and rock that can cause loss of life and property. It is a sudden hazardous event that causes huge loss and have longer terms effects on the climate. They release greenhouse gas contributing to global warming. Let's learn how to take precautions measure. When a volcano shows sign of eruption, nearby residents are to be avoided and a no-fly zone is to be established in that area. Thank you for patient listening.